In this lecture, we focus on the first relational algebra operator, selection. Selection. Why do we need selection? We use selection operator to select a set of tuples that satisfy a given predicate. The word predicate refers to the condition. For example, we want to select employee who has salary higher than 2,000. So salary higher than 2,000 is a predicate. It is a unary operator, which is the operator that requires only one relation as an input. It is denoted by lowercase Greek letter sigma. The symbol here we call it sigma, used to write the selection operator in a relational algebra expression. Syntax. We write the sigma followed by subscript, select condition, and bracket, the name of relation, and close bracket. We can use comparison operation such as equal, not equal, greater, less than, greater or equal, less than or equal in writing the select condition. We can also use the connective conjunction such as and, or, and not. Let's see example number 1. We write the sigma followed by subscript id equal to and employee. So we mean that we want to select employee which id equal to number 2. So let's see the example of relation employee. So we have the three tuple and we have ID 1, 2, and 3. So in our selection operation, in the relational algebra in the example 1, we want to select the employee with the ID equal to number 2. So the output is the header, the name of the attribute, and the tuple that satisfy the condition ID equal to is ID2, F name, sum, A name, Sambat, salary, 4,000, and D name equal to. Let's go to example number 2. Select the employee tuples whose first name is Sok. As we see in the relation employee, we have the attribute F name, and the condition that given is first name is Sok. So F name is Sok. We have two tuples, or we say two rows. So the result will be select the two tuples that satisfy F name equals Sok. So our solution is we write sigma followed by the subscript F name equal Sok. Since the word Sok is the string value, so we use the double quote. And the name of relation is employee in the bracket. And the output from the relational algebra expression above is the two tuple, the ID 1 and the ID number 3. Let's go to the last example. Select the employee tuples whose department number is 2 and salary greater than 3,000. Let's look at the employee relation. We have the 3 tuple and the tuple that satisfy with the both condition, salary greater than 3,000 and D num equal 2. So we have the ID2 F name sum will be selected. How do we satisfy this using the selection operator? We can write the sigma followed by the subscript D num equal to and salary greater than 3,000 and then followed by the name of relation employee as an input. What will be the resulting relation from this expression? So the output of the result is the one row selected from the relation employee that satisfy both conditions. So we have the ID equal to F name Song, A name Sambat, salary 4,000 and D name equal to. Equivalence. There are different ways of writing relational algebra expression using selection operator. The three expressions here are equivalent. We result in the same output. In the first expression, we will look at the C1, the select condition first, and the two-port that satisfy the C1 will be checked with the condition C2 again. For the second expression, the condition C2 will be checked first, and those two ports that satisfy with the condition C2 will be selected to check the condition C1. And the last expression we use with the conjunction and the C1 and the C2 must be satisfied to be selected. Let's see example. In the example below, the three different ways here will result in the same output, and the condition in the first expression is salary greater than 3,000 will be checked first, and the two poles will satisfy the salary with 3,000 will be then is selected to check with the condition dnum equal to. And the second expression, we check the dnum equal to first. So in our employee relation, there are two tuples that satisfy with dnum equal to. And then the two tuples will be checked with the salary whether it's greater than 3,000. So only the one tuple that satisfy. And the third expression we use with the conjunction and. And conjunction and will be true when the both condition is true. And the output from this expression will be one tuple, the ID number 2, that's with the salary 4,000 and dnum equal number 2. So far, we have studied the first relational algebra operator, selection. Let's practice. Write an relational algebra expression using selection operator for the following statement.